Hey guys, today I will be making dun 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 the the strawberry gummy bear slime. So let's go start. First, I will begin my glue. I only use glue because there were no glue ones I don't have with the recipes. But you can look at other ones that doesn't have glue. But first take a glue. And I'm doing a giveaway. I might go giveaway a foam base glue, the sparkly glue, clear glue, big jug of clear glue. All you have to do is like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, all you have to do. I'll be linking my Instagram name in the bio. So, and give this video a big thumbs up. So, this glue, the glue I'm going to give you, if you don't use it like every single day or like the whole jug and stuff, this will last you over 2 months. So, I got this last month, was July 3rd, and I still use it, so I don't really need to make slime a lot. And then you're going to need Tide, and then you're going to need food coloring for optional. If you don't have food coloring, you can use paint or other stuff that you can use it to make the color. So you're gonna pour the glue. Hold up. Yeah, we're gonna pour the glue. Kind of hard to open. What the heck? It's like it's never open. Oh, that's why. It's the part from the tab. Okay, so now pour the glue. This slime is going to be little because my big slime didn't really work a lot. I just emptied a light blue, a big one, and it was not good. That's why I did this video so late. So, yeah, and this is it. I forgot to wipe the tab off. This is one. It was a huge slime right here. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Just let us move into the video. So, first pour the glue. This one is going to be a little small. So, pour the glue. Make sure you close the glue so it won't get hard. Or close it. I never had glue that got hard, but make sure you close it just because you don't want to spill it. In case you knock it down, you won't spill it. So, set that aside. Then, get your mixer. Get your colors. For the strawberry one, it's not really red because the raspberry is red. This strawberry one is green. No. It's green. So you can see that right there. So I'm gonna make this one. No, I'm gonna do the pineapple because it's like a lightish greenish. The pineapple is yellowish greenish. So yeah, I'm gonna do pineapple since I really want to do the green and yellow. So I used all my red, so now I just have to use. I only have blue, yellow, and green. So I'm gonna do 3 drops of yellow and 2 drops of green, because green is darker. So now, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna just mix it and see if it turns the green. If it doesn't, then this color was a fail, but slime is not a fail. It's turning the light. It worked. It's light green. I did not know it would turn light green. The pineapple just looks like a light green, so I was like, I'm just gonna use green and yellow. Yeah, I'm just gonna use green and yellow. And I thought it was like, no, it's not gonna work. But this green slime is working, and it's a beautiful color. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna mix this all in right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys the color. I'm gonna do other videos and stuff. So I'm trying to mix it all together, get all the white off the sides. It's not that big, so yes. And to test to knead it, I'm gonna be using my emoji frisbee because it has a round spot part around it. So I'll be right back. So let me get that real fast. This is what I'm using, my frisbee. So I'm kind of done mixing. So right now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And now, if you want it to be a darker lighter green, just add a little more green and yellow. So I'm gonna keep it that color because I like it the way the color, but I want it to be a little brighter. So I'm just gonna add a little more yellow. 3 more drops of yellow, and I think I will be good. If this color mixes up, I'm gonna be sad. I just made it a little lighter. Now it made it a little bit darker. So this slime was a little darker now. Like you can see the sides now. Like look how much darker it looks. It's all that in. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now. I messed it. It's darker green. Darker green. So now, once you're done mixing your thing, you're gonna want to add your Tide. If you want it to not be like super sticky, add a little bit. Not like a little bit, but add a little bit, like medium. So right now, it depends how much glue you put in. So if I put like a lot of glue, I'll have to put a lot of Tide. And there's not a lot in here. My mom doesn't use the Tide a lot, so she went to the wash house and she didn't take this because she doesn't have to use it. She only uses this when she's out, but well, the powder kind. But she said I can have it for my slime. So let's stop. I'm gonna stop the talking and show you guys. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my slime. So this is what you do. First, pour a little bit. And then you're gonna want it. It's getting together. So right now, I'm gonna let you guys see. But I'm going to have to put my phone. Okay, that's good thing. That's good spot to put it in. So you might want to get all on the sides. See how it's a watery slime? It's not watery, but it's watery. You guys have to come inside?
Yeah.
Why?
Because. Yeah. colors, though.
So now, guys.
Oh, red sand.
Wait. So now, guys, go get out of here.
Ooh.
Get out of here.
So now, guys, what?
So now, guys, I'm gonna be kneading it.
Meaning what?
Get out of there, Levi. Get out of there, Levi. You always come in here messing with me. Okay, it's not sticky, so just.
What's not sticky?
So now I'm just gonna be playing with that. I don't pick it up because I gotta play with it first. So
That's cool slime.
it's
Wait,
slimy now.
I cannot even see it.